Welcome to Robbie's Cuisine. I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to share my Russian salad recipe with you. I have my ingredients. Let's go over them. So I have carrots, potato, beets. I have my onions, green and red peppers, Parmesan cheese, mayo. So the very first thing you want to do when you want to start a Russian salad recipe, you want to boil your vegetables. So what I did, I boiled my potato and my carrots together until they became soft, and that took approximately 30 minutes. I boiled the beets separate because they usually take longer to cook, and that was approximately an hour. Okay, so all my vegetables are already cooked. So now I'm gonna for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how I will cut each of them. Okay, so let's start with the carrots. Okay, so we're done with the carrots. Gonna put it in our bowl. The potato, let's do one potato. Cut it in half. Okay, and kind of slice it. Do a couple slices, and then you can cut it. And it makes it so easy when you have a cutting board to use. It's really easy. And we can put it in our bowl. We're gonna do one beet. Try to keep them together. And then slice it. And that's it. I'm done cutting the vegetables. Now we're gonna add the other ingredients. Let's add our green and red peppers, our onions, okay, and then, you know what, let's go ahead and mix them up first before we add the mayo. All right, let's add the mayo. To start, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 spoons and see how it is. And just mix it up. Okay, I think we might need some more mayo. Let out another spoon. It was actually exactly 3 spoons. And we'll just use all of them. I think it should be good now. Okay. let's go ahead and add our Parmesan cheese. And that was exactly 2 spoons. Alright. We are done with the Russian salad. And guys, I will not lie to you, my mouth is watery because I love this salad so much. And yes, I'm gonna taste it for you guys. Okay, I have my plate. Let me take some, put some on my plate. And this side, you can eat it with anything. Let's taste it. This is so good. I'm loving it. One thing, this is a cold salad, so I will encourage you after you're done to put it in the fridge and let it cool down, and it's gonna taste even better after it's cold. So that was the Russian salad recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.